cold today? Do you know how to say it in English?
That is a very useful question.
Yeah, because we talk about the weather almost every day.
Exactly. At home, at school, at work, or with friends.
So today, let's practice simple English for weather, seasons, and clothes.
And don't worry, this lesson is for one learners, so we will keep it simple.
Yes, short words, short sentences, and natural conversation.
Sounds good. Let's begin. So what is the weather like today?
It is cold today.
Oh yes, I feel it too. I wear a jacket today.
Good idea. It is really cold outside.
This is a simple sentence, right?
Yes, very simple. It is cold today.
Learners can use this sentence every day.
Exactly. Now let's say it slowly. It is cold today.
It is cold today.
Nice. One more time.
It is cold today.
All right, let's start with weather words.
Okay, the first word is sunny.
Sunny means there is a lot of sun.
For example, it is sunny today.
Nice. The next word is rainy.
Rainy means there is rain.
For example, it is rainy today.
The next word is cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
For example, it is cloudy today.
The next word is windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
For example, it is windy today.
And we also have hot, cold, warm, cool, and stormy.
Great. These are useful weather words.
Now let's repeat them slowly.
Repeat after us.
Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
windy,
windy,
hot,
hot,
cold,
cold,
warm,
warm,
cool,
cool,
stormy.
stormy. Good job. Now let's use these words in simple sentences.
Yes, because words are good, but sentences are better.
Very true. You can say, it is sunny today.
It is rainy today.
It is cloudy today.
It is windy today.
It is hot today.
It is cold today.
These sentences are very useful.
Yes, and they are easy to remember.
Let's make it more natural.
Okay, I will ask a question. What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Nice. Now another one. What is the weather like today?
It is rainy today.
Good. One more. What is the weather like today?
It is cold today.
Great. This sounds like real daily English.
Now let's practice with a small daily story.
I like stories. They make English easier to understand.
Yes, listen carefully.
It is rainy today.
So I stay at home.
It is sunny today.
So I go to the park.
It is cold today.
So I wear a jacket.
It is windy today.
So I close the window.
Oh, that is very practical.
Yes, weather connects with daily life.
Now let's talk about temperature.
Good idea. Temperature is also important.
The first word is hot.
Hot means the temperature is high.
For example, it is very hot today.
The next word is warm.
Warm is not too hot. It feels nice.
For example, it is warm today.
The next word is cool.
Cool is a little cold, but not too cold.
For example, it is cool in the evening.
And the last word is cold.
Cold means the temperature is low.
For example, it is cold in winter.
Let's repeat temperature words.
Repeat after us.
Hot,
Hot,
warm,
warm,
cool,
cool,
cold.
cold. Now let's compare them in simple sentences.
Okay, it is hot in summer.
It is warm in spring.
It is cool in the evening.
It is cold in winter.
That is easy to understand.
Yes, short sentences are very powerful for beginners. Now let's connect weather with clothes.
Yes, because when the weather changes, we change our clothes.
Exactly. If it is cold, we wear warm clothes.
If it is hot, we wear light clothes.
Let's learn some clothes words.
Shirt,
Pants,
dress,
jacket,
shoes,
socks,
hat,
scarf,
sweater.
coat.
Let's repeat some important clothes words.
Repeat after us.
Jacket,
Jacket,
shoes,
shoes,
socks,
socks,
hat,
hat,
sweater,
sweater,
coat.
coat. Now let's use clothes words in sentences.
I wear a jacket.
I wear shoes.
I wear socks.
I wear a hat.
I wear a sweater.
I wear a coat.
These sentences are simple.
Yes, and very useful.
Let's make a small conversation about clothes.
Okay, let's do it.
It is cold today.
Yes, I wear a jacket.
I wear shoes and socks.
That is a good idea.
Do you wear a hat?
Yes, I wear a hat too.
Nice. Now you are ready to go outside.
Yes, I am ready. Now let's talk about seasons.
There are 4 common seasons:
Spring,
summer,
autumn.
winter.
In American English, people often say fall instead of autumn.
Oh, that is good to know.
Yes, autumn and fall can mean the same season.
Let's repeat the seasons:
Repeat after us.
spring,
Spring,
summer,
summer,
autumn,
autumn,
fall,
fall,
winter.
winter. Now let's use seasons in sentences.
Spring is warm.
Summer is hot.
Autumn is cool.
Winter is cold.
I like summer.
I like winter.
I like spring.
I like autumn.
What season do you like?
I like winter.
Really? Why?
Because I like cold weather.
Oh, interesting. I like summer.
Why do you like summer?
Because I like sunny days.
That sounds nice. Now let's practice a full conversation.
Okay, this conversation is about weather, clothes, and going outside.
Listen first, then you can repeat later.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is a good day.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, let's go to the park.
Great. What do you wear?
I wear a shirt and shoes.
Do you need a jacket?
No, it is warm today.
Okay, let's go.
Great idea.
That conversation sounds natural.
Yes, it is simple but useful.
Can we practice another one?
Of course. This time, the weather is rainy.
Okay, let's try. What is the weather like today?
It is rainy today.
Oh no. Do you want to go outside?
No, I stay at home.
That is a good idea.
Yes, I drink tea and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, rainy days can be relaxing. Now let's practice one more conversation.
This time, the weather is cold.
Ready?
Ready. What is the weather like today?
It is cold and windy.
Oh, do you wear a jacket?
Yes, I wear a jacket.
Do you wear a hat?
Yes, I wear a hat too.
Good. It is important to stay warm.
Yes, I agree.
Now let's do a repeat practice.
Good. This part helps you speak.
Repeat after us.
What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
It is rainy today.
It is rainy today.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
I wear a jacket.
I wear a jacket.
I go to the park.
I go to the park.
I stay at home.
I stay at home.
Nice work. Now let's make questions and answers.
Okay, questions are very useful in real conversation.
Question 1. What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Question 2. Is it cold today?
Yes, it is cold today.
Question 3. Is it rainy today?
No, it is not rainy today.
Question 4. What do you wear?
I wear a jacket.
Question 5. Do you want to go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside. This is good practice.
Yes. Simple questions help you speak more.
And simple answers help you feel confident.
Exactly. Confidence is important. Now let's review today's lesson.
Today we learned weather words.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool, and stormy.
We also learned clothes words.
Jacket, shoes, socks, hat, sweater, coat, shirt, pants, and dress.
And we learned seasons.
Spring, summer, autumn, fall, and winter.
Let's review some useful sentences.
It is sunny today.
It is rainy today.
It is cold today.
It is warm today.
I wear a jacket.
I wear shoes and socks.
I go to the park.
I stay at home.
Now let's do the final conversation one more time.
Great. This is the final practice. What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is a good day.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, let's go to the park.
What do you wear?
I wear a shirt and shoes.
Great. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
That was a very useful lesson.
Yes, now you can talk about the weather in English.
You can talk about hot days, cold days, rainy days, and sunny days.
You can also talk about clothes.
And you can use these sentences in daily life.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You just need to practice a little every day.
Small practice every day is better than no practice.
Yes, and every sentence you practice makes you better.
Before we finish, say this with us.
I can talk about the weather.
I can talk about clothes.
I can speak simple English.
Great job today.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.